Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Meow.
Hey, News Explorers! Big Brain here. Welcome to episode 54. And whoa! 54 is a super fun number because it's like 5 tens plus 4 extra sprinkles. If you're new to the news, no worries. We'll explore it together and grow our big brains. Today we've got music in a famous building, brand new satellites zooming around Earth, and a real-life animal comeback story with an antelope that looks like it's wearing zebra pajamas. Have you ever heard music in a place that feels like a giant, echoing treasure box? This week, Chicago is celebrating International Jazz Day with special concerts and learning activities. And one big concert happens inside Unity Temple, a famous building designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. Jazz is a style of music where players listen closely to each other and sometimes invent brand new sounds right on the spot. That's called improvising. Kind of like telling a story without reading it, but using trumpets, drums, and saxophones instead of words. Now add the building. Frank Lloyd Wright designed spaces with shapes, lines, and materials that can make sound bounce around in interesting ways. So when the Chicago Jazz Orchestra plays, the music doesn't just go straight to your ears, it swirls, floats, and blends like invisible paint in the air. And because International Jazz Day is also about learning, it's not only a show, it's a chance for kids and families to discover how music connects people and how places can change the way music feels.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Whoa! What if the internet could come from the sky? Like invisible Wi-Fi rain, but not wet at all. A big Atlas V rocket launched from Florida and delivered 29 new internet satellites into low Earth orbit. These are part of Amazon's plan to build a space-based internet network. So what's a satellite? Picture a metal box with solar panels, like shiny wings, that uses sunlight for power. It circles Earth fast, like a super speedy lap around a track. Some satellites take photos of Earth, some help with GPS directions, and some can help send internet signals. Low Earth orbit means the satellites are relatively close to our planet compared with faraway space objects. That can help signals travel with less delay, so a video call or online lesson feels smoother. But how does space internet reach your house? The satellite talks to special ground stations on Earth using radio waves, which are like invisible, speedy messages. Then the ground station connects to the regular internet world. The big idea is, if you live far from big cables and towers, satellites might help connect more places. It's like putting helpful messengers in the sky, each doing quick loops and passing notes around the planet.
Okay, kids, time for the next story!
Okay, get ready for an animal with a superhero outfit built right into its fur. The mountain bongo. 4 endangered mountain bongo antelopes recently arrived in Kenya after being cared for in a zoo in the Czech Republic. Mountain bongos are big, shy forest antelopes with chestnut-colored coats and bright white stripes. Like nature said, let's add racing stripes. Now, returning animals to their home country takes careful teamwork. First comes quarantine, which is like a quiet health check and adjustment period. Imagine moving to a new school. You'd want time to get used to the schedule, the smells of the cafeteria, and where the bathrooms are. Animals need that kind of calm, settling-in time, too. Then comes conservation planning. One important goal is genetic diversity, which means having a healthy mix of family lines, so the species has a better chance to stay strong over time. It's like having a huge crayon box instead of only one color. More variety can help a population handle changes. After the bongos adjust and the experts are ready, some may later be released into protected areas. It's a long game of patience, science, and care, helping these stripey forest runners have a better future in the place they belong. Today we heard jazz swirling through a famous building, watched satellites zoom into orbit to help connect more people, and cheered for stripey mountain bongos returning to Kenya with careful conservation help. Keep those neurons firing! See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row.